Why are today's systems so vulnerable and unreliable? Because today our internet consists of servers and connected computers, in which the files are normally stored in one place as complete files readable by anyone. If the walls of system security are penetrated, the data is ripe for the picking. Even if the data has been encrypted, if it is all in one computer, a single provider, or a local network, it can still be stolen or erased. Today's data is not physically secured from any third parties. There is always somebody who can delete, corrupt, or snoop on you. Until now. In the MaidSafe system, data is never vulnerable. As soon as a document is saved, remarkable things happen. The data is automatically shredded and encrypted by a unique algorithm that uses the data itself to create the encryption keys required for the very high levels of encryption. This data is then distributed intelligently to the network. This network spans the planet. All of this thoroughly encrypted code now resides in several time zones, securely stored in multiple copies in locked space on other networked computers, using a portion of whatever unused hard drive space is available, as if the data was transformed into a grain of sand and distributed wherever the wind takes it, far away from prying eyes. And your secure login has been achieved by a phenomenal new system called Anonymous or self-authentication. This is a system where you decide to join a network and the choice is 100% yours. You give up some unused space on your computer and that is your payment. Nothing else is required. The deal is between you as a person and the network. You are in complete control of your own destiny and required to ask nobody for any permission. Only now can you be secure. No third party was involved. Just you, the machine, and the software. And at no time was your password transmitted on the network in any form whatsoever. To the world, you are completely anonymous, safe, and free. Now, your digital work and data reside not on vulnerable hard drives that could fail, be offline, corrupted, stolen, or spied upon, but on a huge distributed anonymous network with state-of-the-art protection of both data and privacy. You will never lose your data again. There is no backup or sync required. Everything just works and is available only when you want it. So, what do we do with all that free space now that we have computers all over the world with more space than they need? Some of this space is used to store the network chunks. This mishmash of electronic bits is stored everywhere on every hard drive. Your computer fuels the network that you are now part of. Rather than slowing down with more data, as traditional client-server models do, this network increases in speed and performance as more people use it. In this network, denial of service and similar cyber attacks are thwarted and useless. Popular websites simply go faster rather than crashing. There is a reason this is called logical. After 7 years of testing, innovating, and lots of effort, they have released all code, papers, patents, and algorithms to the world. MaidSafe has met universities and attended many events to explain their proposals and answer questions, as well as publishing papers and trialling much of the code in one of the world's largest organizations, all with very positive results. All of MaidSafe's patents have been made available worldwide to allow developers to use a truly global platform to create next-generation software products such as data that increases in speed as more people use it due to intelligent caching, which makes popular data faster and also prevents many cyber attacks and cyber terrorism. People will share privately, freely, and instantly. Doctors will save more lives by sharing medical research in real time. And groups of common interest can get together and share experiences and information instantly and safely. With real sharing, we will defeat many global issues by simply combining our efforts and publishing our feelings and thoughts instantly and securely. Whistleblowers and victims of oppression will share their findings safely and free from persecution. Secure messaging in the form of email, video, and voice are inherent in the network design. Nobody can trace or eavesdrop on any of your communications anymore. What you say now is private. Anyone can use the code and patents to build these powerful new products and services at no cost and without fear of the service ever being compromised or stopped. This is a network of equals, and ownership belongs to all users all of the time. All developers have free access to an open API and can start creating and deploying amazing ideas and innovations that could change the world right now. Now, what are you prepared to do?